Hi guys, Ralph here. Alright, I'm going to give you a little recap on the Xboxes. Right, as you remember the original one, I think I've well and truly cocked that up, but what I've done, got two others, obviously saw in the video. I've fully stripped them down now. These are the two, the black one and the other crystal one. Get a good clean. Also taken off the heat sinks and re-pasted everything with the thermal paste, which is, for anybody who's bothered, MX4, the Arctic stuff, the good stuff. So they're done. Now I've had quite a few comments on my soldering techniques, and to be honest, I'm an amateur. So just bear with me as best I can. I've got a couple of ideas of how to attempt to solder this one properly. And I've managed to put both of these on the right way for when the chips arrive. Now I've ordered two chips, two new ones. I don't need two new ones because I've actually got the one that I saved from the other. Well, I've got two here already, but one of them's an older chip. One's a standard Aladdin XT, and one of them's the +2. But I've ordered two more new ones of these. There's nothing wrong with this one in here. I just want to spare one just in case. So I mean, this one came with. Right, I wrote on here. Have you not noticed? One was XB. This was the black one. The 1.6 was the crystal. So that actually came with that, but it doesn't actually work, and I don't know why. But I've managed to, not managed to do anything with this yet, so we'll see what happens. And this one actually wasn't tested in a machine that worked, so yeah. But as for now, all three Xboxes are in pieces, fully stripped down, fully cleaned down already, to be reassembled once I get the wiring done and get the chips for these, and I can put things back together and see what's what. So just a quick update on the Xboxes. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.